Raymond is stuck. He's been in that position for a very long time. I'm pretty sure it's because he doesn't know how to get out. Raymond! Raymond! Papa! Raymond, look! Over here! Come on! He like tries to pull himself up. Come on, Papa! This way! Come on! She's like pushing him to see if anything will happen. I guess he was stuck. You're okay. Mommy's so mean.